Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So, if you want to prepare for banking examination but you don't know what is B in banking, means you are at a very basic level, you exactly don't know how to start the preparation for the banking examination. किस तरीके के एग्जाम्स होते हैं, कितने phases हैं, in which exam you need to go for pre, mains, then interview, in which exam you don't have pre, directly mains and interview. तो मैं आपको गाइड करूंगा in this particular video about everything for bank exams. So watch the video till end. Now talking about the aspirant, if you are completely beginner, you don't know anything about bank exam, but you heard from somewhere else that they are good and you can make your career in banking, then watch the video. If you are a student who is confused about preparing banking examination, I will clear your doubt. If you are an aspirant who are preparing in some other sector like IT sector till now, and now because of the layoffs and all in the IT industry, you are coming to the banking industry, then watch the video till end, you will get the complete idea. So mostly when you will be starting for the banking examination, you might be not aware about the banking terminology. नहीं पता होगा आपको banking terminologies क्या होते हैं, what is the meaning of NDTL, ANBC, different type of banking term. But you need a proper guidance at the proper place, because banking terminology is nothing but it is the part of banking industry. So when you will start understanding bank, don't learn them. When you start understanding bank and banking awareness, automatically banking terminology will become familiar to you. So don't worry about that, we'll make it clear. You feel others are ahead because some people are preparing from the last year. For the freshers, they always feel like this. अरे भैया तो last year से prepare कर रहे हैं. This Didi is preparing from last year. They are already scoring very good in the mock test. What I will do, how I will do. Never think like that. Every year, the percentage of freshers, those who are clearing the examination, is very high. तो freshers के chances हमेशा बहुत अच्छे होते हैं exam clear करने के, because they are very close, or you can say that they are very much connected with the examinations or preparation or studies. तो उनके लिए थोड़ा मैं मानता हूँ ज़्यादा easy होता है. If you lack in the basic knowledge, don't worry about it. Everyone who get cleared these examination have someday somewhere started from the zero level only. Now talking about the major exams in the government banking industry, we will not be talking about any private bank exam. हम बात करेंगे सिर्फ government examinations की. So what are the exams which are conducted? IBPS conduct the examination of IBPS PO, IBPS clerk, then RRB PO, RRB clerk, then we have SBI exam, SBI PO, SBI clerk. Apart from that, nowadays we have examinations of LB also, local bank officer. Recruitment already done by Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank, Bank of Baroda, PNB. So many banks came in the past with the local bank officer examinations. So these are the major exams. If you are from any particular background, like I have took the example, if you are working in the IT industry, you are a software guy, you belongs to the IT industry or IT background, you have done your Bachelor of Engineering either in computer science or information technology, then you will have opportunity to write IBPS SO as well, IBPS specialist officer. Same for law officer, agriculture officer. So for them there is a IBPS SO as well. Not for everyone, but all other examination we need normal graduation, means you have done graduation from any field, you will be eligible to write the examination. अब एग्जाम में पैटर्न क्या होता है उसको समझ लेते हैं. एनी क्लर्क एग्जामिनेशन यू आर राइटिंग, इट मींस यू नीड टू गो फॉर प्री एंड मेंस एग्जामिनेशन. यू नीड टू क्लियर प्री, यू नीड टू क्लियर मेंस, एंड यू विल बी सिलेक्टेड. यू विल बी देयर इन द मेरिट लिस्ट. Your job will be started. But if you are going for the PO examination, then you need to go for pre, then mains, and after that interview. IBPS, they directly conduct interview after the psychometric test. उन्होंने अभी recently personality test introduce किया last year, so they conduct a personality test then interview. SBI की बात करें, so SBI conduct a psychometric test, after that group discussion, group exercise, personal interview. डरने की बात नहीं, easy है if you know the proper source to prepare. तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. LBO, they don't conduct written examination twice. They conduct only one exam, directly type of means pattern of exam conducted by local bank officer, and after that interview and your selection. तो ये पैटर्न है एग्जामिनेशंस का. सब्जेक्ट की बात करें तो पहला सब्जेक्ट होता है आपका क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड. द मैथमेटिक्स व्हिच यू हैव डन इन योर क्लास 8th 9th 10th, same mathematics, that is ratio, average, percentage, time and distance, simple questions which you have done. But here you need speed. यहां पर आपको चाहिए होगा speed. So if you will be faster in the calculation, you will be better for clearing the examination. सेकंड सब्जेक्ट है आपके पास रीजनिंग. इफ यू हैव नेवर डन रीजनिंग एज अ सब्जेक्ट यू विल लव इट. व्हाई? यू विल बी हैविंग प्रॉब्लम टू सॉल्व बाय यूजिंग योर ब्रेन एनालिटिक्स. आपको अपना दिमाग यूज करना है और अपने छोटे मोटे जो प्रॉब्लम्स दिए हैं उनको रिजॉल्व करना है. ब्लड रिलेशन है और आपके पास सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट है, पजल्स हैं, उनको आपको रिजॉल्व करना है. दैट विल बी द topic of reasoning. After that, English, it's a language. So if you're weak in English, you can go through with a daily editorial session or daily newspaper reading for increasing the English. अगर आपका English reading और understanding clear है, without having, I'm not a expert in English, so I will not comment over it, but which I have heard from the toppers and my colleagues, those who are good in English, if you will continue reading English, you will get the improvement with the time. GA is my portfolio where I will be dealing with with all the subjects. That is group, that will be your general awareness, current affairs, banking awareness, financial market. If you will be writing the insurance awareness examination or insurance examination, so insurance awareness. Very easy subject. Computer knowledge will come in few exams. If you will be writing IBPS, RRB, PO, RRB clerk, then you will be having the subject computer awareness. IBPS, PO, SBI, PO, in these exam we don't have computer as a subject. तो वो सारी जगह नहीं आता. अब सबसे बड़े प्रॉब्लम्स जो लोग करते हैं, there will be few people, those who will be watching the reels of toppers, that how I have cleared the examination. So they will start watching how I have cleared the exam. I have cleared the examination by writing at least 2 to 3 mock tests per day. उन्होंने पिक कर लिया, बोले चालू करो, क्या करना है, मॉक टेस्ट लिखो. सो फ्रेशर है, don't know anything about the subject, started writing mock test. Mock test is not the first step. पहला step नहीं है भाई साहब. Why? You will not be able to analyze in the future that in which area I'm good, in which area I am weak, and in which area I need improvement. Is it required improvement or not? What is the weightage of this subject in my examination? इसका particular weightage क्या है? For that, it is always good to start from the basic. Don't start without basic. सबसे पहले आप basic subjects जो है उनको तैयार करो. If you are reading the current affairs GA part, always start from the banking awareness. समझो what is bank, what is the difference between bank and NBFC, what are the different type of deposits. So when you will be reading the news regarding BSBDA, there is an update in BSBDA, you will be able to understand it, you will be able to grab it for the longer time. तो ये changes हैं, पहले basics तैयार करो. And following many sources. Now preparing quant from 3 faculties. Never do this mistake. Preparing GA from 4 faculties. Never do this mistake. Decide one faculty, one platform. For mock test, it's fine. If you want to prefer 2-3 platform for the mock test because you want to give more practice and all, it's okay. But when you are going for one source for the preparation, decide one source of your choice. The faculty with whom you feel connected, decide that faculty, then prepare with that faculty. Jumping directly to mock test, never do that. पहले आप बेसिक नॉलेज तैयार करो, फिर मॉक टेस्ट पर जाओ. नाउ इग्नोरिंग मॉक टेस्ट, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर, जब आपका जो बेसिक फाउंडेशन है रेडी हो जाए, देन एनी हाउ यू नीड टू स्टार्ट मॉक टेस्ट ऑल्सो ऑन टाइम. ऐसा नहीं है कि मॉक टेस्ट करना ही नहीं है, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है मॉक टेस्ट, बट ऑन टाइम. when you are there on a position that okay, I have done with the 3 topics, now let's say start with the sectional topic और sectional test start कर देता हूं मैं, टॉपिक टेस्ट स्टार्ट कर देता हूं कि एक एक टॉपिक के ऊपर टेस्ट स्टार्ट हो जाए, देन फुल लेंथ मॉक टेस्ट. स्लोली यू नीड टू इंक्रीज योर knowledge over with the support of mock test. Then what you need to do next and most important point is once you have done with the basic chapter, basic आपने कर लिया, डेली प्रैक्टिस आपने कर लिया सेक्शन वाइज, देन रिवाइज द कॉन्सेप्ट वीकली, देन मूव टू द मॉक टेस्ट. अब आपको क्या करना है, यू नीड टू क्रिएट अ बकेट लिस्ट. This bucket list is very important for clearing the examination. Where in the bucket list, subject wise, you will be aware about that out of 4 subjects, which subjects are good for me, which subjects are weaker part. मेरे strong subjects कौन से हैं, weak subjects कौन से हैं, because you will not be good in all 4. Confirm. And it is not a problem also. आप टेंशन मत लो, आप चारों में कंफर्म है कि आप अच्छे नहीं हो सकते. There will be 1, 2, 3 subject in which you are able to good. एक आध सब्जेक्ट होगा जिसमें आप होंगे वीक. तो उसको कैसे मैनेज करना है विद द ग्रिप ऑफ अदर 3, कि बाकी 3 की सपोर्ट से आप उसको कैसे क्लियर करोगे. दैट आइदर यू आर मींस यू हैव टू क्लियर द सेक्शनल कट ऑफ वेयर एवर इट इज देयर इन द एग्जामिनेशन, एंड ओवरऑल कट ऑफ के लिए आप कैसे बाकी के 3 सब्जेक्ट्स को क्लियर करोगे. सो फर्स्ट Subject wise, you should know that which subjects are strong, which subject is weak for you. Second, within the subject you need to create your bucket list. That in the particular topic of quant, which are my strong part? I am good in time and distance. Yes, I am good in approximation. I am good in simplification, but I am bad in these particular topic. तो आपके पास वो एक bucket list होना चाहिए that in which subject, in which topics you are good, in which topic you are bad. So during the examination you did not have any confusion while selection of the question. कहा जाता है that you will get selected because you know during the examination which question to reject. किस क्वेश्चन को रिजेक्ट करना है, दैट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टच दिस क्वेश्चन इन द एग्जाम. जिस दिन आपको यह पता चल जाता है, दैट डे यू आर नियर टू सिलेक्शन, उस दिन आप सिलेक्शन के पास में हैं. तो आपका सिलेक्शन तब होता है जब आपको पता हो एग्जाम में कौन सा क्वेश्चन क्या करना है, रिजेक्ट करना है. पॉइंट समझ में आ गया मेरा? क्लियर है? सो दिस टाइप ऑफ बकेट लिस्ट यू नीड टू क्रिएट. आफ्टर दैट इंक्रीज द स्पीड एंड एक्यूरेसी ओवर द टॉपिक एंड कंटिन्यू टू डू द प्रैक्टिस. वो वही वाली बात घूम फिर कर लिखी हुई है, कंटिन्यू टू do the practice. Do not compare yourself or your journey with anyone, because every aspirant is unique. Everyone have their own background. Everyone is good in some other subject, in some other topic. So you should feel and create your own strength. That मैं कहां पर अच्छा हूं भाई, मेरे strength क्या है, मेरा preparation कैसे अच्छा हो सकता है. So that you need to do. And finally, zero knowledge is not a problem at all. Right guidance, right material at the important time you should start. मतलब आपका टाइमिंग सही होना चाहिए, कंटेंट सही होना चाहिए, जहां से आप पढ़ रहे हो वो सोर्स सही होना चाहिए. आफ्टर दैट योर सिलेक्शंस विल बी क्लियर. सो इन योर जर्नी you can definitely make bundle PDF course as one of your most important source of your selection. Preparation करोगे आप, selection almost assured है with the support of this. So bundle PDF course you can prepare, you can use for your preparation. At present bundle PDF course started from 386 rupees from 3 months. यहां पर आपके पास पूरे के पूरे क्वेश्चंस हैं, टॉपिक वाइज वीडियो सॉल्यूशन है. It is one stop solution for the complete preparation of your all the subject. If you are going for basic foundation classes, आपको चाहिए basic foundation classes, all 4 subject, quant, reasoning, English, GA, all 4 subjects are available at one place. That is our bank foundation batch. Our offline branches are available at so many places. If you are looking for the offline classes, you can take the screenshot and you can connect with our offline centers as well. Hustle 3.0 is one-stop solution for the preparation of your complete GA. Banking awareness, current affairs, insurance awareness, financial market at one place by your own Aditya sir. That is Hustle 3.0. So start your preparation. Whatever the confusion you are facing in your preparation, write in the comment box. I will be doing Zoom session soon to clear your doubts. Take care. Jai Hind. All the very best.